Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make pickled mangoes with honey. This dessert is famous in Thailand. If you go to the market or the supermarket, you can find this very easy and it's crunchy of the mango with the sweetness of the honey. It's so nice. So we're gonna use the powder for make the pickle mangoes. This one is famous brand and it's very good for the healthy. It's no borax or other the things that not good for health. So we're gonna use the pickle mango powder for one bag or about 500 gram with the mango 10 kilogram. But you can change for the ratio as you want. You can use 1 kilo of the mango too. And then we add the water until it's cover the mango and put the powder and mix well. And then we're going to add all the mango into our solution and cover it with the heavy things like a bag with water or our dish and then cover for 30 days. This process also the important because you need to put down all the mango under the water and cover it and let it sit for about 30 days. And after 30 days you can get the mango like this. Some people eat like this now with the sugar, salt and chili. It's also delicious, but for us we will do the pickled mango with honey. It's more sweetness. And then we go into peeling the mango and cut to be the little pieces as we like. So the next step we're going to prepare our syrup. By we use 1 kilogram of the sugar, natural sugar with 500 milliliters of the water. And then we're going to boil it until it's boiling. Now our syrup is ready, it's boiling, and then we turn off the heat. And after that, we're going to put our mango inside of the syrup and let it cool down. And then for the crispy mango, we're going to keep it in refrigerator for one night. And after one night, we will remove from the syrup and throw away all the syrup and keep just only the mango. And the last step, we're going to add the mango and then add on top with the honey for 500 grams and then mix it well. And after we mix it until it's homogeneous, so let it absorb some syrup or some honey for 1 or 2 hours and then pack on the package and can keep it for a month. So now it's ready for pickled mango with the honey. I hope you guys give this try for this recipe. It's so nice. The mango is so crispy and sweet from the honey. And you can keep it for many months. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like this video, please like, subscribe and follow me on my YouTube and my Facebook, and see you next time.